Have you ever looked at someone and thought, there's no way that person is my age? Now imagine someone who, at 59, looks better, fitter, and younger than most people in their 30s. Sounds unbelievable, right? But that's the reality for Frank Grillo. You see him on screen acting like a fierce, unstoppable force in films like Captain America, Civil War, but what's even more incredible than his roles as Crossbones is the way he's been able to keep his body in peak condition, defying time itself. Let me ask you this. What if I told you that Frank doesn't follow the typical Hollywood secrets for staying young? No plastic surgery, no magical anti-aging treatments. What he does might shock you, and by the end of this video, you'll be questioning everything you thought you knew about aging and fitness. Get ready, because what I'm about to share could change the way you approach health and wellness forever. How Frank Grillo defies aging. Frank Grillo isn't just a Hollywood tough guy. At 59, he could easily pass for someone in their 30s. His body is sculpted, his energy is limitless, and his skin is practically glowing. But this transformation isn't the result of any quick fixes or genetic lottery. Frank's story is a testament to the power of discipline, mindset, and a relentless pursuit of strength, mentally and physically. How does Frank maintain a body that looks like it's frozen in time? It's a combination of genetics, sure, but it's also a lifestyle, a commitment to habits that defy aging. And here's the kicker. He didn't just wake up one day looking like this. He's been grinding for years. The power of mindset. There are no rules. When Frank talks about aging, he doesn't see it as something that should slow him down. In fact, he says, there are no rules. There are only things in your head. What he means is, age doesn't have to be a limiting factor. Frank believes that you can defy expectations at any age if you have the right mindset. It's not about slowing down. It's about pushing through, no matter how old you are. Frank claims he was in the best shape of his life at 52. His mindset is clear. Don't let age dictate what you can or can't do. The only rule is to never stop. And Frank doesn't just talk the talk, he walks the walk. His attitude towards aging is one that says, it's not about how old you are, it's about how much you care about being better every single day. This mindset is what fuels him to keep going, to keep improving, and to keep looking like he's in his prime. Frank is a living, breathing example that age is just a number if you decide to take control of your body and your life. Now, you may think that all this dedication and hard work in the gym is enough, but there's one thing Frank does that sets him apart from others. It's not just about lifting heavy weights or following a tough training plan. No. Frank's secret sauce lies in something that many people overlook. And the good news is, you can start incorporating this into your life today. Let's dive into the heart of Frank's success, his diet. Frank Grillo's paleo diet. What's in his kitchen? Frank Grillo's diet isn't just a quick fix or some fleeting trend. It's a lifestyle. Frank follows a strict paleo diet, which means no grains, no processed foods, just clean, organic, and nutrient-dense foods. And here's where it gets interesting. Frank's not counting calories or obsessing over his macros. His focus is on the quality of food, not the quantity. Everything in Frank's kitchen is organic. His salad dressings, his coffee, his snacks. It's all meticulously selected to ensure that he's giving his body the best possible fuel. Frank's kitchen is stocked with grass-fed beef, wild-caught fish, organic chicken, and a variety of leafy greens. This might sound like a lot of effort, but Frank believes that taking the time to properly fuel your body is the best investment you can make for your long-term health. He doesn't believe in shortcuts. He believes in getting it right from the inside out. 5 essential foods. Frank eats to stay youthful. What exactly does Frank eat to keep his body in such incredible condition? Well, he sticks to a few key foods that help him maintain his strength, vitality, and youthful appearance. And here they are. Grass-fed beef. Frank doesn't shy away from fat. In fact, he's embraced it. Grass-fed beef is loaded with healthy fats and protein, both of which are essential for maintaining muscle mass and supporting metabolic health. Frank relies on this high-quality protein to keep his body in top shape. Wild-caught fish. Fish like salmon and mackerel are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to help with everything from reducing inflammation to promoting brain health. Frank's choice to include wild-caught fish in his diet helps keep him sharp, both physically and mentally. Eggs. You won't find Frank avoiding eggs. They're a great source of protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins. Eggs help keep Frank's muscles strong and his skin radiant. He enjoys them regularly, whether they're scrambled, boiled, or in an omelette. Leafy greens. Frank knows the importance of greens. Leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, and arugula are packed with antioxidants that fight off oxidative stress and protect against aging. They also provide a good dose of fibre to keep everything running smoothly. Olive oil. Olive oil isn't just a great source of healthy fats, it's also packed with antioxidants that protect against cellular damage. Frank uses olive oil generously in his cooking, drizzling it over salads and using it to cook his vegetables. These foods are nutrient-dense and provide Frank with the energy he needs to train and recover. But they're also part of a bigger picture, a way of life that prioritises quality over quantity, consistency over shortcuts. So far, we've talked about Frank's mindset and diet, but there's one more piece of the puzzle that holds the key to his continued success. You've probably heard of supplements, right? But Frank doesn't take just any supplements. He's selective about what he puts in his body, and the ones he swears by might surprise you. Supplements Frank takes for optimal health. Frank may not rely on steroids or other extreme measures, but there are a few supplements he takes daily to support his health. These supplements help him maintain energy, stay healthy, and recover faster. Here are the 5 supplements Frank takes to keep himself in top condition. Whey Protein. Whey protein is a complete protein, meaning it contains all the amino acids your body needs for muscle repair and growth. Frank relies on this to help him recover from his intense workouts and maintain lean muscle. Vitamin D. Frank takes 10,000 IU of vitamin D each day to support his immune system, regulate his metabolism, and improve his overall health. This is essential for someone who spends a lot of time training and pushing their body to the limit. CoQ10. CoQ10 is a powerful antioxidant that supports heart health, blood sugar levels, and energy production. Frank uses this to keep his energy levels high throughout the day and ensure he's performing at his best during workouts. Pre-workout supplement. Frank's workout sessions are intense, and he takes a pre-workout supplement to ensure he has the endurance and focus to power through. This supplement helps him push through even on his toughest days. Turmeric. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. After a grueling workout, Frank uses turmeric to help reduce inflammation and accelerate his recovery. Frank's fitness routine, from weights to martial arts. Frank's workout routine is a mix of strength training, cardio, and martial arts. His fitness plan is diverse, ensuring that he works every muscle group and keeps his body challenged. Here's a breakdown of his weekly routine. Monday, upper body. Frank starts his week with an upper body workout that includes compound movements like bench presses and military presses, targeting the chest, shoulders, and arms. Tuesday, cardio and martial arts. Tuesday is reserved for cardio and Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. Martial arts are not only a great workout, but they also help Frank stay sharp and agile. Wednesday, abs. Abs are a priority for Frank, and he dedicates Wednesday to training his core with exercises like crunches, leg raises, and planks. Thursday, boxing. Boxing is a major part of Frank's fitness routine. It's an excellent workout for burning fat and building full body strength. Friday, lower body. Friday is all about legs. Squats, deadlifts, and leg presses are key exercises in Frank's leg day routine. Saturday and Sunday rest. Frank takes these days off to recover, but he still stays active with light walks or hikes. So, what's the real secret to Frank Grillo's age-defying physique? Is it his strict diet? His intense workouts? Or is there something else he's doing that most of us are overlooking? The truth might surprise you. Frank's approach to fitness isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling good, living well, and proving that age is just a number. Frank Grillo shows us that staying youthful is about more than just genetics. It's about consistency, discipline, and the right mindset. So if you want to look and feel like Frank, remember, age is just a number. The real secret to staying youthful is in your hands. Start today, push yourself, and never stop. The journey to a stronger, healthier, and more youthful you begins with the first step, just like Frank Grillo.